Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to leave a channel on Slack. Now, you might want to leave a channel to make your workspace a much more organized place for you. So you can just go ahead and leave all the channels that you don't need. To do that, what you have to do is just open up your Slack account. You can either use the application version or the web version. I'm gonna do it through the website, so I'll just go ahead and open the website. I'll just go to my browser. On Google, I'll search for Slack. Then I'll go to the first website, which is slack.com. Then from here, I'll find all the workspaces and I have to sign in first. After that, I can launch the workplace. Then just give it some time. You might have to click on use Slack in your browser. Then your workplace will open. And after the workspace opens, you can find all the channels over here. Just go to the channel which you want to delete. And at the top right corner, you'll find a three-dot icon, which is the more actions icon. Just click on that. And after that, you'll find the leave channel button over here. You basically leave a channel. You basically will never get a message from this channel again, but your previous messages will be there. So to leave it, just click on the leave channel button. And there you go. You successfully left the channel. And basically that is how to leave a channel on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.